I don't know if I'm the only one that could actually taste this unflavored collagen peptides from Vital Proteins, but I can taste it, I can smell it, but I still find this better than drinking a big and thick protein smoothie. So I'm gonna show you how I take this in literally 2 seconds. The prep isn't 2 seconds, it's still fairly quick, but the ingesting part is very quick. I don't know if I have a sensitive nose, but I just hate the way that smells. Think of this as taking a friendly shot. You're gonna need warm water so that this dissolves quicker and not chunky. I used to drink this with regular water and it was chunky. So you're gonna need 2 scoops. If you want 18 grams, you can do 1 scoop, 2 scoops, whatever you want. And then you're gonna squeeze lime into it. I'm gonna keep this lime because I'm gonna take this as if I'm taking a tequila shot at the end. Give this a good mix. Although this has lime in it already, I'm not gonna breathe while I take this until I'm done with this lime. So cheers. No taste. The lime though.